Welcome to the demo of uniADMS. ADMS stands for Automotive Dealership Management System. This uniADMS software was created by Unisoft India Private Limited. This is designed for multi-franchise, multi-branch and multi-location operation. It has three major modules: sales, service and spare parts. Let's look into sales module. In the sales module, we have provided for functionalities like order planning, order approval, order confirmation, stock creation, stock transfer, sales, invoice, delivery note, followed by dashboard and a general purpose inquiry. Let's go into order planning. In order planning exercise, we create an order for a model for an order month. We can choose one or more variants. For the chosen variants, the system displays from the database details like the stock available, the sales trend for the past 3 months, the sales forecast as given by the salespersons, the pending orders if any, and based on these information, one can finalize the order quantity. There is also a provision to give color breakup of vehicles as per the colors available given by the manufacturer. Once this is finalized, the total order quantity is arrived at, we can confirm the order details. Upon confirmation, an order is generated and an order sheet also can be printed. This order is transmitted to an internal person for approval. So it can be sent through an email to a concerned authority for approval. Upon receiving the approval, this can be transmitted to the principal for processing. The principal will confirm back saying that yes, I accept this order and this much quantity can be supplied. This information comes in a soft copy. The soft copy in the form of a CD can be browsed and uploaded onto the system, and the order details with confirmation quantity can be created. So this ensures that there is no error and the order details are created now. Once order details are created, then the stock information, that is the chassis and engine number level information, is again transmitted by the principal, either from the bill of lading or much earlier to that. Once we receive the individual vehicle details, again through a soft copy, we can browse, upload that file and create the stock record. Now the stock record is available. Upon receiving the physical vehicle, we can update the location like the showroom or the yard where it is going to be stored. Now the vehicle is available. Once a stock record is created and the vehicle is available, it can also be transferred across branches or yards. So we have provided a process called stock transfer. You can select the vehicles through the vehicle availability inquiry, and for those selected vehicles, you can identify the to location, the carrier, the transfer mode, either railroad or train or bus or self-driven. We can also give carrier details and the driver's name. Upon confirmation, a stock transfer advice is generated. This document can be printed on a pre-printed format for use by the driver. Upon stock transfer, the location details gets changed. After stock transfer, it becomes a local stock and it's available for sales or booking. Booking is a process where you do an advance booking for a vehicle. Booking is usually done for a customer, a model and variant. Optionally, the color also can be chosen. Booking generally accompanies a payment of an advance amount. The details of advance amount paid with receipt number, date and possible promised delivery date is recorded in the booking. So a booking record is created. This booking record becomes an input during sales invoicing. In the vehicle sales invoice, there are two types of transactions. One is the cash sales Another is credit sales. Cash sales is done across the counter in the showroom. Usually it is done with a cash invoice generation followed by a delivery note for physical delivery of the vehicle. Upon selecting the vehicle through the stock inquiry, the vehicle details, the customer details are all displayed in the invoice screen along with MRP, the advance amount if any paid, standard discount available and tax applicable, and the net payable is calculated. Upon confirmation, the invoice is generated. After generation of invoice, a delivery note can be prepared for the same vehicle. The delivery note contains all the customer vehicle details minus the finance details. This is used for acknowledging physical delivery of the vehicle to the customer. In credit invoice, which is usually done for corporate houses or fleet operators or bulk buyers, first the vehicles are delivered to the customer. Upon acceptance of the vehicle and acknowledgement in the delivery note, then the invoice is generated for collection of money from the corporate customer. We have a very interesting sales dashboard which shows various flavors of statistics real time. Here is an example of what can be built. We are just showing the capabilities. There can be multiple statistics which are showing the actual sales for a particular period as of a date, or the actual sales against targets for a particular model, or the performance of a particular branch, or performance of individual salespersons, etc. Any of these required as per the requirement of the user can be built in the dashboard. There is also a general purpose inquiry which is used by most of the salespersons. The inquiry can be for a vehicle, for an order, or for a stock transfer or booking, or it can be an inquiry for delivery or invoice. By just giving a particular date, or if you don't know anything, just press enter. It will show all the details of a particular invoice right from starting of this. Then you can select the particular invoice, and at the third drill down level you can see the detailed screen. So this is a very versatile general purpose inquiry. This completes the sales module. Thank you.